The attachment theory is a psychological concept that deals with the development and effects of emotional bonds between people, particularly between a child and a caregiver. Its roots lie in the early 20th century, when the first psychological approaches began to examine the emotional relationship of children with their parents. Sigmund Freud emphasized the importance of early childhood and saw attachment primarily as a byproduct of drive gratification, while John B. Watson and behaviorism viewed emotional attachment mainly as conditioning, that is, as a reaction to reward and punishment. A decisive breakthrough came in the 1950s and 1960s with Harry Harlow's monkey experiments. Harlow demonstrated that rhesus monkey infants preferred the comfort of a soft cloth mother over the wire mother with food, showing that emotional security is a central need and that attachment is not based solely on nourishment. Building on these findings, John Bowlby developed the modern attachment theory from the 1950s to the 1980s, combining psychoanalytic approaches with insights from ethology and developmental psychology. Bowlby assumed that children are biologically programmed to form attachments for survival, that early experiences with caregivers shape the internal working model for future relationships, and that attachment security promotes exploration, learning, and emotional stability. Mary Ainsworth, a student of Bowlby, developed the so-called strange situation in the 1970s, a standardized procedure for observing attachment security in young children, and identified the attachment types secure, insecure avoidant, and insecure ambivalent, later supplemented by the disorganized type. In the following decades, attachment theory was applied to adulthood, for example in romantic relationships, and gained new perspectives through neurobiological research linking attachment to stress regulation, oxytocin, and neural reward systems. Attachment-based therapeutic approaches use these insights to assist in cases of trauma, abuse, or relationship problems. Overall, attachment theory evolved from a drive and need centered view to an emotion and relationship centered understanding that integrates childhood experiences, neurobiological mechanisms, and lifelong relationships. And it is today regarded as a fundamental concept in psychology, education, and therapy.